Welcome to my channel, Magnificent World Through My Eyes. Good morning everyone. So today we are on a 4th day of our trip. Yesterday, after roaming around in Rishikesh, we stayed at Zostel. We wanted to try out Zostel bunk beds so that we can have an idea if we are comfortable staying in a bunk bed for our future travels. Hostels are usually located at nature-friendly location. Have a look around the hostel that we stayed last night. Lovely mountains and full of greeneries. We had a breakfast at Zostel itself before leaving for Kanatal. Yes, our next destination is Kanatal. Yesterday, we had a breakfast in this restaurant, Oceanox. The restaurant looked good and the menu was also good. But when the food arrived at a table, it looked different from what we had ordered. We had an argument with the staff and left with a disappointment. I won't recommend this restaurant, at least not for breakfast. So, our journey towards Kanatal begins now. We left from the hotel, took a rickshaw to bus depot. There was no direct bus to Kanatal, so I had to take a bus up to Chamba, and from Chamba took another cab to Kanatal. Here are a few of my memories of the beautiful landscape we enjoyed on our way to Kanatal. Lovely mountains and greenery everywhere. Once we reached Kanatal, we started searching for a place to stay as we did not have any prior booking. Most of the places were small cottages and camps. This is one of the places we liked, but there was no one around. Luckily, there was a number on which we could call. The person asked us to wait for 10 minutes, but even after 20 minutes, no one arrived. So the best option for us was to look for another place to stay. We took the risk and kept a heavy luggage at this location and started a hunt for the hotel. We first went to Club Mahendra Resort to check for the rooms, but we did not like them. Then, from the local people, we came to know that there are few cottages and camps inside the jungle as well. A local person gave us a reference for the Kanatal Majestic Camp, which was inside the jungle. He showed us few pictures of the camp, which we liked it and decided to stay there. The camp staff helped us to get our luggage from the place we had left it. Quickly we got ready and went for jungle safari. Here are a few moments of the safari. For complete safari experience, please click on the link in the description. At the end point of the safari, There was a small Shiv Mandir where our driver told we can have a small stroll and enjoy the surroundings. Finally, we were able to use few of the gears we bought for our trip. The safari video was shot by my friend using the headband on which the phone was attached, leaving both his hands free. Link for the gears we used are given in the description. While returning back from the safari, it started getting dark and foggy. We were afraid it might rain and we might get wet. Luckily, it did not rain and we reached our camp safely. After taking some rest, we headed out on foot for dinner at Rana's homestay. It was a small restaurant where local food was served and we enjoyed the local chicken they cooked for us. It was dark and again we were able to use our another gear, a torch. The torch was really helpful in the night when there was no street lights. Along with the torch, we had also purchased Panasonic rechargeable batteries. We had tasted the batteries before leaving for a trip, and the battery lasted for more than 4 hours on a single charge. So we were confident enough that we won't be walking blind in the dark. Here are a few glimpses of the camp we stayed at. Stay tuned for my future video, as I will be sharing a detailed video of the camp. I highly recommend Kanatal Majestic Camp for you to enjoy the scenic beauty of Kanatal. Thank you for visiting my channel. Please like, comment and subscribe.